Who wants their child to roar with laughter this summer? Ring in the fun with Young Fan Summer Camp. Join us for an incredible session featuring the one and only Boswick the Clown. With his uproarious antics and boundless energy, Boswick will have your child rolling on the floor with laughter. From hilarious jokes to silly games, every moment spent with Boswick is a moment of pure delight. But it's not just about the laughs, it's about fostering creativity, building friendships, and nurturing a love for adventure. Our summer camp is an immersive experience designed to ignite your child's imagination and spark their curiosity. We create an environment where every child feels empowered to explore, discover, and grow through engaging activities, interactive workshops, and hands-on learning. With state-of-the-art facilities and carefully planned programs, we ensure that every moment at camp is fun and safe. But don't just take our word for it, see for yourself. Visit our website or call us now to learn more about our programs and to schedule a tour.